Hey guys, it's Adam from Timmy's Detailing. We've got a Silverado Z71 2020. The customer wanted all the swirls and scratches, hazings removed from his black Silverado. It is a brand new car, however, those issues were inherited from the dealership or from factory. We solved this problem. We made it brand new. As you can see in the video and photos, which you'll see next, before and after shots of what it was and what it is now. It's been a mission. It is one of the black colors that that need that extra touch and finish and refining. So we went ahead, did a stage 3 paint correction. We primed it as well as prepped it for the glass coating, and we applied the Modesta BC08. So that car come a long way. It's all done and dusted. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the journey. Also would like to add that a few other things have been done. The leather interior, the windscreen, the wheels and so forth, everything's been coated. The plastic trims were coated with EGC from Modesta. This includes the majority trims on the rear side, the side mirrors, the engine bay, rocker cover. But yeah, lots been done guys, so hopefully you consider what we've done and let us know if you have any queries or questions. Enjoy the journey.